guys to another vlog. Now it's time to travel again. Everything is ready. We have our passports, our stuff, and let's go to Marrakech. Hey guys, first stop. We are here in Pesquera, Lake Garda. The weather is not all too good, pretty dusty. Some ducks, and now let's get some lunch and then we go to the airport. Finally, after 3 hours of travel, some shopping and good eating, we are here at the airport in Bergamo. Let's take a walk. We are ready for takeoff. Hey guys, I think that's one of our hours, and till now I have to say the airport Bergamo, clean, friendly, very beautiful. Thumbs up. Okay, the rating of the snack was 5 out of 10. For you?
Less.
Less for her. Was not so good. But the beer was 8 out of 10. Feeling a little bit like a cow. Finally, we are sitting on our seat. I think we see us in Marrakech. I skip it 3 hours and 20. See you there. Good morning guys. It's time to wake up. It's 8 in the morning. It's still quite dark outside. One thing that you have to keep in mind here in Marrakech, that in the first minutes of daylight the prayers begin, and you have music all around, or prayers all around, but that's, keep it in mind. Good morning guys. As promised yesterday, we start with our room tour. It's our living room. It's pretty dark. The weather is not perfect. These are our little dogs. I think it's still a nice room. Our master bedroom. Love the details here. Very beautiful. We have our changing room for our clothes. Our monstrous bathroom with shower. The toilet for, you know. And the heart of the apartment, I show you in a second, is our very beautiful terrace under the palm trees. And as you see, it's raining. We're coming to Morocco for good weather, for sun, and it's raining. But that's not a problem. Let's go into the Medina. Let's start exploring Marrakech. we finished our little meal in the terrace des Épis. It was for me 9 out of 10, and for my wife
even 9 of 10.
9 of 10. We have a little bit there, space to 10 of 10. We are here on the main square, enjoying some fruit juice. There are a lot of stands with fruit. Some guys with cobras and henna tattoo sellers, and today it's rainy. I think it's a pretty calm day. There are a ton of shops. Until now we don't have any problems with scammers or burglars, and everything good.
الكرسي
ورثت الزملاء جي خشتها نوري ايه
It's on.
which one?
It's on. One more.
Okay, one more.
No.
Quello una piscia, non mi
What an experience. This was literally quite an amazing experience. Yeah, the price was about 10 euros, 100 dirham, and yeah, I know some of you maybe say you don't support them, they treat the animals bad, but they have to live too, and they are there the whole day, and I think they give to eat to the animals, and that's a point that you can support them. Crazy experience. Yeah, I know normally you don't have to do it, but yeah, they were very friendly. They asked friendly, and yeah, it was 100 dirham for the video and for a lot of photos, and one time you can do it. They have to live too here. meal of the day. We start with some tapas, a good beer. We are in a restaurant called Le Kilim. Let's try. Time for the main course. Chicken and some veggies. Okay guys, now finally it's time to end this vlog. Day 1 is over. It was an amazing day, a lot of experience and friendly people, crazy people, good food. The weather is not so good, but tomorrow it's getting better and I see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.